Hello and welcome back once again to Dacty for You channel. I hope you are doing great and you are staying safe and staying out of trouble. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I appreciate you so much and I'm so grateful. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So today on the menu, I'm going to share with you guys how to make this amazing recipe. So here is my water on fire. I put water on fire, it's boiling. I went ahead and added in my beans. The beans is about 2 pounds. I will leave everything in the descriptive box below. And then I gave it a stir. Guys, what I did to my beans is that I washed it and then I soaked it overnight. So here I just added in some chopped onions. Guys, if you add chopped onions to your beans, it helps it to cook really fast. It helps it to soften really fast, and it also add flavor to it. So I allow my beans to cook for some time, about 20 minutes. Into the cooking, I went ahead and added in some shrimp powder. Guys, if you have fish powder, you can also add it in. I always add the two, but this time I'm in shortage. I don't have it. You all know what's going on. So here I added a little bit of salt and I allow it to cook. So on the other side, I have my saucepan on fire and I just went ahead to add in my palm oil. I got this palm oil from my local African market. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice, or you can look for palm oil. So I just added in just a little bit of salted tilapia to it. My oil is not very hot. Yeah, this is what I want. I don't want my oil to be too hot before I start adding my ingredients to it. So here I added some chopped onions. I used the red onion. You can use any onion of your choice, and then I went ahead to add in some bay leaves. Guys, this helps to give the oil a very nice taste. Then I fried this for about 6 minutes, and then I went ahead to add in my mackerel. So this is my homemade mackerel. I have the recipe how I smoke it, how I bake it on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. And I just added in a little bit, about half of Maggie stock cube. You can add any season of your choice. I fried that for additional 5 minutes, and then I went in with my ginger and garlic paste. Is right there with some natural herbs in there. And then here is my chopped, it's like chopped green bell pepper, and then onion was on the side. I'll leave everything, so please do well to check the descriptive box. I'm going to fry this for about 5 minutes, and then I added a little bit of salt to it. I'm trying to build up my flavors from the beginning, before, like from the beginning of my stews. I don't want to add my spices at the end, so I prefer adding it in the beginning. Guys, try making your stews this way. It's either it's bean stew, tomato stew, and you are going to love it. So I just added in about 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste to it. In this recipe, we are not using we're not going to use any tomatoes in it. So I fried that one for about 5 minutes, and then I went ahead to add in some carrot puree. So this is about 1 medium-sized carrot that I blended. So I'm just going to fry this for about 4 minutes, then we'll go ahead and then add our beans. So here is our beans. Just look at how soft. And guys, these beans alone, you can even add it to your rice and eat, and it tastes so good because it has some onion in there, and the shrimp powder adds a lot of flavor to it. If you want to have a very nice curry and beans, make your beans this way. So here I just went ahead to add in my beans to the stew, to my sauce. So this is it. I'm adding the beans to the sauce, and then I added it little by little, and then I'll just give it a stir. I'll just add it and then give it a stir. So here, this is it. So let's say that if my my beans is 3 cups, I mashed about 1 cup, and then I left the 2 cups like that. But you can decide to either mash it or add it in like that. It's your choice. It doesn't matter how you make it, the stew is still going to come out nice. And I tasted for salt, and I needed a little bit of salt, so I just sprinkle a little bit of salt to it. And here is our stew, and guys, this stew was amazing. So this is it. This is how I make my Ghanaian bean stew. So simple, yummy. So this is what we call red bean stew gobe. So you can eat it with rice, yam, kenke, like plantain bread, but I prefer eating mine with some fried sweet plantains, that is the ripe one, with some curry on the side. So this is it. Just look at how it is. Just take a closer look at it, guys. It's so yummy. Take a closer look at it. Just look at it. It's so beautiful, yummy. You can serve this to your visitors, your friends. You can even make this as a gift for someone. The person is going to love it, provided the person loves beans. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Stay safe, stay out of trouble. Until we meet again, I say God bless you. Bye bye.